Hi, I'm Hope Turingan and I took up Superior Diploma for Cuisines and Modern Cooking at Global Academy. I did my internship at the Inn at Pound Ridge by Jean Georges, which was in Upstate New York, from December 2016 to December 2017. The Inn was an upscale kind of casual restaurant owned by the Michelin-starred chef Jean Georges Ponriquin. The cuisine that we serve, I would say, is seasonal and farm to table, with the flavors of modern American with Asian influences and made with French techniques. For a year of training there as a line cook, I spent my first 4 months working the garde manger, or the cold kitchen, where I made salads and cold appetizers. I was then eventually moved to the hotline on the pizza station, and eventually worked my way around all the other stations, including the grill, the pasta, and the plancha stations. There, I learned how to work fast and efficient under pressure. I had to improve my knife skills. I had to multitask just so I can keep up with the demanding prep lists. I learned how to work with the other cooks during a busy night of service, like communicating with each other, putting the food up on time, and sometimes even improvising on the fly. However, one of the most important lessons that I learned, I believe, was being accountable for your mistakes, learning from them, putting your head down, and just having the determination to finish a service strong despite of all the difficulties that night. I started to be interested in food from a very young age, and I would always tell people that my earliest memories of cooking was like chopping a bunch of garlic for prep for parties at home. And my interest grew steadily from just watching the TV shows, trying them out, to doing groceries and cooking for my friends and family, mostly during my birthdays and other occasions as well. I myself and the people around me knew early on that I would eventually find my way into the culinary field. And so, after going to college, getting a degree, and working for some time in the corporate world, I decided to pursue my dream of cooking. And I was just lucky and blessed enough to have had parents who were so supportive of my passion. And I feel that in my journey, one of the best choices that I made was going to Global Academy for my culinary education. My chef instructors at Global has equipped me with the skills, the knowledge, and most importantly, the mindset that I needed in order to survive the fun but definitely pressure-packed world that is a kitchen. Throughout my internship, I was always pushed far from my comfort zone, but the lessons that I learned from Global was there to help me cope with each and every one of the struggles that I experienced. Global has definitely helped me change into the cook and person that I am right now. I was able to work with various people from different walks of life, here and abroad. And I know that as I continue to grow as a cook and my path to becoming a chef, I would always look back to my days at Global Academy. So what are you waiting for? Come join Global Academy and imagine the possibilities. It's time to put your culinary career in full color.
If you enjoyed the video, please click on the like button and leave us a comment. We'd love to converse with you. And if you want to learn more about cooking, click on the subscribe button. More episodes to come.